Hello pro learners, it's pro programmer from eproductsadvice.com, and today I'm here to teach you learn PHP in web server part 3. And if you haven't watched two part videos, part 1 and part 2, you can check it out over here. First one is this, run PHP in an online server, and the fundamental of the real web server. Now I'm going to teach you how can we connect the database and insert the data and extract the data from a database. So let's get started. First of all, go in www.webfirst.com. I have an account, so I want to log in. Go in a file, manage website, file manager, upload file now. Okay, we are here. Now open another over here, tab over here, and this is for database. Now create a new database, name the database. I like to give a name, programmer, programmer. Username as pro p, and password as put a strong password. Okay, great. Okay, now it's creating our database. It takes some time. Let's watch this out when the process is running on. So we have created this index.php in previous video, so let's edit it. Whenever you get such thing, just click on this backslash. Edit. Okay, now these are the codes, and let it be. I'll save it somewhere for future use. Now let's connect to the web database. So first of all, let's see. Yeah, our database is ready. So go in the manage my PHP amendment. So we are here. This is our ID. Let's click on it. Let's create our table. Okay, let's click ID and our USR user for username and password for password and email. So data type, it is very important thing, so I'm putting serial, so it will continue increasing on and on. when new field is created. So you can put varchar and put character how much is valid, or you can just click on text, so it will use the character as a text. I'm as a text. Now save it. Now our table is created, so let's see. Our table is created, there is no any data, so let's okay guys, so let's insert a data in a table. So this is our table, there is nothing, and let's go here. I have cleaned all the things. So firstly you have to type PHP, okay, and now this is the main code over here. I'll be explaining all. I'm doing just copy paste for saving a time. Sorry for that. See. Okay, now here you see user server name means here this is a server, DB host, localhost. Okay, it always should be a localhost. Now what we require is username. What is our username? This is our username, DB user, okay, database username. Copy it, paste it over here. Okay, now put the password which you put in that database. I've kept it. Now this is a database name, copy it, put database name over here. Okay, now it is done filling with the data, putting variable server name and inserting data into it. And here is the main code for connection. This will connect our database into a PHP file. So connect is called to, this is a variable, and new MySQL, this is a command, and server name, username, password, a database. You can directly put this over here, but it can be used later, so I'm putting this like this. Now checking the connection. If connection gets connection error, then die connection failed. Okay, else show success. Okay, now let's do it. See, success. Now it is connected. Now we can insert data, extract the data from here. So our table is created, so let's give our data in, let's insert data in this table. Okay, go over here and inserting data. This is a code. In a SQL variable, I'm putting the SQL code over here. This is the SQL code. It means insert into a table name. Okay, insert into a table name. Our table name is users. Okay, so USERS, users. And now see the field. We have users, password, and email. So we have to put this same as this over here, and password and email. It's email. Okay, so see, users, now it is indicating the field. It indicates the field of the table users. Now let's insert the value, which values is John in a user, Doi in a password, and email. This will insert in an email, means John will appear here and Doi will appear here and email will appear over here. Okay, now see over here, this is a if else statement. If this is a variable, so this is the why I put this thing in a variable. Okay, this is the variable and this is a query SQL. This means this is a code which will execute the SQL code. Okay, or you can simply add this thing over here also, but it can be reused, so I'm letting it as it is. And is equal to put 3 is equal to, if is equal to 3 is equal to true, then echo a new record created successfully, or else error. It will display the error. Okay, save it. Now let's reload this. New record created successfully. Now let's check it out in a database. Yeah, you can see our database is filled with data over here. Now in this way you can insert data in a table. Okay, now let's extract that data. So for extracting data, I will remove this code and put another code. Okay, okay, this is a SQL code. Okay, now select. Now what we have to select means we can select ID, username, password. You can just select ID, or you can just select password, or you can just select this one, but I like to set all of them. So let's do this. Sorry about that. Okay, so first of all remove this code and paste this code. So ID and what is here you should put same as it is. Okay, same as this. Copy it and paste it, and copy it. We are selecting the field, so it should be as it is because it is case sensitive. Okay, now email. from the table name. Okay, users, this is a table name. Now the SQL code is set in a SQL variable, and in a result variable we are storing the execution of the code. Okay, now for the extraction of the code, we are extracting the number of rows. If the result num rows is greater than 0, then output each row will print out over here, while the rows is equal to result, then fetch as rows, and the equal id as a row id, and here user as this. It should be as it is. Okay, and password, or the password as password over here, and copy it, and email for email. Okay, now it's done. Else, if it do not find any result, then it will print 0. So save it. No error can be seen here. Okay, let's. So you can see 1, our ID is 1. Okay, our ID is 1 and user is zone, and password doi, and email. Okay, so it looks a little bit weird, but if we manage the editing, then it will look like this. Oh. Okay, password to email zone@example.com. Okay guys, this is it. Now in this way you can insert and select the data from database to your PHP file. And so let's end our part 3 over here, and in part 4 I'm gonna show you how can we create a simple registration form and login form. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell notification icon for the notification. So thank you, have a great day.